Uncovering slang. The real meaning of cap, no cap. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel, where we aim to unravel the mysteries of English slang and idioms, making them easy to understand and use in your daily conversations. Today, we're going to dive into a very popular phrase that you might have heard in songs, movies, or scrolling through social media. Cap, no cap. It's a phrase that can be confusing, especially since the word cap has many meanings. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be using cap and no cap like a pro. Let's start with where cap comes from in this context. The term cap in cap, no cap isn't about the hat you wear. Instead, it comes from the word capping, which is African American Vernacular English, AAVE, for lying or faking. When someone says, no cap, they mean they are not lying or are being totally truthful. On the flip side, if someone says, that's cap, they're indicating that they think what's being said is a lie or an exaggeration. When it comes to using cap, no cap in conversation, context is key. You can use no cap to affirm that you're being honest. For example, if you say, I just met my favorite celebrity, no cap, you're telling your listener that you're not making it up. But if you hear a story that seems unbelievable, you might respond with, that's cap, indicating you think the story might not be true. It's a versatile phrase that you can use to question the validity of a statement or to reinforce the truthfulness of your own. This phrase has seen a surge in popularity, largely due to its frequent use in hip-hop and social media. Many artists use the phrase in their lyrics to express sincerity about their experiences or to call out others for dishonesty. On social media platforms like Twitter and Instagram, hashtag #NoCap has become a popular hashtag for posts that share personal achievements or truthful stories. To get a good grasp of cap, no cap, it's great to practice with some examples. Let's try a few together. 1. Practice statement. I got the highest score on the test, no cap. 2. Your response. You might say, wow, congrats. I knew you were studying hard for it. 3. Practice question. Do you really drive a sports car? Or is that cap? 4. Your response. If it's true, you might say, no cap, I'll give you a ride sometime. Remember, using slang is about understanding the tone and context as much as the words themselves. That's a wrap on cap, no cap. We hope this video helps you understand this slang phrase's meaning and usage. With new phrases and expressions always emerging in the English language, staying knowledgeable helps you communicate effectively and confidently. So go ahead, try using cap, no cap in your conversations and see how it goes. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep practicing and no cap. Your English is getting better every day.